morning children. Sai Ram. Children, before we start with today's session, we are going to revise numbers. So all will say numbers with the teacher. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I know children, you all are revising the numbers every day. Now we are going to revise number names from 1 to 50. So let's start. Say ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10, ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, THIRTEEN 13, FOURTEEN 14, FIFTEEN 15, SIXTEEN 16, SEVENTEEN 17, EIGHTEEN 18, NINETEEN 19, TWENTY 20, TWENTYONE 21, TWENTY TWO 22, TWENTY THREE 23, TWENTY FOUR 24, TWENTYFIVE 25, TWENTYSIX 26, TWENTYSEVEN 27, TWENTYEIGHT 28, TWENTYNINE 29, THIRTY 30, THIRTYONE 31, THIRTYTWO 32, THIRTYTHREE 33, THIRTYFOUR 34, THIRTYFIVE 35, THIRTYSIX 36, THIRTYSEVEN 37, THIRTYEIGHT 38, THIRTYNINE 39, FORTY 40, FORTYONE 41, FORTYTWO 42, FORTYTHREE 43, FORTYFOUR 44, FORTYFIVE 45, FORTYSIX 46, FORTYSEVEN 47, FORTYEIGHT 48, FORTYNINE 49, FIFTY 50. Now children, you have to keep revising numbers and number names every day. Now we will revise groups of 2, groups of 5 and groups of 10. So we will start with groups of 2 and you all are going to repeat after me. Groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now children, in the previous class of maths, we have learnt how to find out the differences, and we also have done an activity. Do you remember children? In the last period of maths, we have learnt find the differences and teacher had given you homework, and I hope children you all must have done homework and enjoyed too. Now we are going to do that homework here and you are going to check in your notebook. So the homework was find the differences in the pictures and cross them. Let's start with the first picture. So children, tell me what you all can see here on the screen. There are two pictures and you have to find out the difference and cross it. And I hope children you all must have done correctly. So yes, in both the pictures we can see a house and a tree. Okay, but you have to find out the difference. So if you see the picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture children, you can see two windows. Am I correct children? Okay. And now see the picture which is to your right hand side. There you can see only one window. So this is the first difference which you have to put cross. Check in your notebook children. Have you done correctly? Very good. Now can you see tree? Yes. So which fruit you can see on the tree? Yes, we can see apples. So if you see the first picture on that tree, how many apples we can see children? Yes, there are two apples. And in the picture which is to your right hand side, on that tree we can only find one apple. So children, this is one more difference. You can here put a cross. Come on children, you have to check it in your notebook. Now, anything is left children? Yes, I know you all are very clever, yes. In the first picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture we cannot see grass. But in the picture which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can find here grass. So you have to here also put cross. Okay children, now let's see the next picture. Come on, look here. What you all can see here children? Yes, we can see a table, a ball and flower pot. And you have to observe the picture. Yes, see the first picture which is to your left hand side. In that picture, in that flower pot, we can see three flowers. Okay, and if you see the picture which is to your right hand side, in that flower pot we can only find two flowers. So this is one difference here, so put a cross. Okay children, now can you see a ball in the first picture? No, we cannot see. We can see a ball under the table in the second picture which is to your right hand side. So this is the second difference. So here also put a cross. Okay children, understood? Now let's see the next picture. Okay, what you all can see here children? Yes, we can see mountains, yes, birds, flowers and butterfly and grass. Okay, now observe it very carefully. Yes, see in your notebook how you have done. Let's do here also now. We will find the difference. Okay, so in the first picture children, we can see a sun, but we cannot see the sun in the second picture. So you can put a cross here. So this is the first difference. And in the second picture, which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can find two birds, which is not seen in the first picture. So this is the second difference. Put a cross. Okay children? Now in both the pictures we can see flowers. Okay? Flowers are little bit different. So that is also one more difference. Okay, so I will put cross here because these flowers are different from the another picture which is to your right hand side. Now in the first picture we can see a butterfly, but can we see a butterfly in the second picture also? No. So this is one more difference children. Okay, now anything is left children? Just see the picture carefully and tell me. Yes, something is left. Yes, very good. What extra we can see in the first picture which is to your left hand side? Yes, in this picture we can see a grass. Here also you have to put a cross. Okay children, I hope you all must have done it correctly. Now look at this picture and tell me what you all can see here. Yes, you all can see here two plants. Okay, here we can see two pictures and we can see plant. Now if you see the first picture which is to your left hand side, in that picture there we can see only leaves of the plants, and in the second picture which is to your right hand side, in that picture we can also see flowers in that plant. So this is one difference which we can see here. So we will put cross here on the flowers. Okay children? Very good. I hope children you all must have done homework and checked properly. Thank you so much children.